So people,
Surprise, surprise.
where's my pajamas?
The next day.
Guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to Boomsy Sports. You guys saw my friend from Netherlands in the first clip. This is my bosom friend. This is my own. This is my friend. This is my friend that anytime she comes back to Nigeria, I know say Nelly don't come back. In fact, before she even come back to Nigeria self, I go to ginger they come. Inside the kitchen now, I have finished making stew, white rice. When she tells me that she's closed, I'll fry plantain because she's coming in with her daughter. But see, leave that one aside first. There is a subscriber that lives in Europe with Nelly, that lives in Netherlands with Nelly. My God, I want to tell you that God bless you. So I will give you guys just a little recap. This lady watches me. She loves me. She loves me and my family. I have never seen her before. It's just on here on Instagram. Anytime my friend comes to Nigeria, you know, my friend will call and I will just say hello to her on the phone and all of that, and she will be so excited. I will be so excited as well because I'm like, wow, I can sit down in the comfort of my home and someone is so excited to speak to me, to talk to me, to love up on me and my family, you know. And then my friend went to her. This time she was coming back, you know, and she was saying that, oh, she bought a couple of things for my daughter, and you know, she didn't even, you know, factor my son in and all. So she wants to go back hurriedly and buy some things for my son. And this lady gave her money to say, take, buy for Kaito. Just help me tell this lady in the comment section, thank you. You are amazing. You are amazing. Thank you so much. When Nelly even called me, you know, and told me, I was like, ah, really? Like, really? Where did she know me from? Like, you know, I've spoken to her, you know, the last time Nelly came last year, I spoke to her on the phone and all, but I was so shocked. I was like, so someone can literally watch me on the screen and be in love with me and my family. I want to say thank you so much. I want to say God bless you so much. It was such a pleasant surprise to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I truly appreciate it from the depth of my heart. It is not easy. It is not easy at all. You guys, times are not easy right now. Times are hard. If anybody takes out anything out of the ones that they have to say they want to use it to bless you, please appreciate them, not just with thanks, you know. Because I think I saw what they call it, one post that I think someone sent their friend or so, or paid rent, sorry, I saw a post that someone paid rent for a friend of his or so, and the guy just replied with thanks. And people were supporting to say, yeah, what should he have said? Should he have said more things? And I'm like, oh my God, God loves a heart of gratitude. You people should not mistake this day. How can somebody pay rent that you could not pay and you reply the person with just thanks? But this is me just telling you, thank you so much. God bless you. I appreciate you. Whatever you see in me, that you decide to watch me over the screen and not just bless me only, but bless my child, I want to say thank you so much. God bless you. Helpers will find you, you know, things that you desire of God, God will grant it unto you in the name of Jesus. I appreciate you so much. I'm thankful. You guys, see, in the beginning when I started this my channel, I used to just beg, go shy away from gifts and everything and all, but I'm like, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for so much love that you guys have shown me, Boomsy Sports Army. Thank you guys so much, and I will never stop thanking you guys. See, one yeye person came to my comment section in my last market vlog to say that why did I drop the warm sugar and pretend like I did not buy it. If you do not watch my market vlog though, there was a sweet whatever that the malam I buy zobo for was selling, and he said that it's a sweetener that is good for sex, right? If you buy it, you know, it helps your sex life and whatever. I did not buy it. I did not see any need to buy it. It's not like I'm lacking in the other room. You get what I'm saying? It's not like they look me very endowed. It's not like my hygiene is not good, so I didn't see any need for it. I'm not just going to buy anything from the market and put it inside my mouth. But if I did, I was going to post it that I bought in the video, and you cannot beat me. You cannot beat me. There's nothing you will do to me. There's nothing you can do to me. There's nothing. I don't know you. Social media just brought us in a space where, okay, everybody feels that okay, we're all one big happy family, and you know, you watch my video and all of that, and you know, so we are brothers and sisters, right? There are people I relate with, which are my bumsies and me, especially. But you see, that's Okpomko. I know Sabiam. This is the first time that person will ever comment on my page, and I know that the person is an idiot. Now said that, oh, I should just said I bought it. I'm like, will you beat me if I say I bought it? No, but if I'm one of my bumsies correct army, hey, for you, came and said, is it this brain that you're using to type this that you used to cross road? Aranabagineshi. You know, and the person didn't even reply me back again. I was like, what do you mean? I'm watching you and giving you money and giving you views and feeding you and this. God, you know what, I don't even bother replying the person, and I started feeling bad for even replying the person the first time, because I'm like, oh my God, this is such a frustrated mad woman that is under a Korodu bridge. I shouldn't have responded. Oh no, Bumsy, why did you do that? Why did you just even give this person just a little bit of your time? This person is not a Bumsy's army. This person is a spineless, meaningless, I don't even know where you came from. But anyways, guys, show a heart of gratitude all the time. If you will not take anything out of this vlog, just take out that a heart of gratitude is a very wonderful heart, and God loves a heart of gratitude. But anyways, guys, let me head back into the kitchen. I was cooking. Let me head back into the kitchen. My friend will almost be here, so that, you know, yeah, and you guys will get to see her and all the goodies she always comes with for me. Nelly, my baby, if you ever come across this vlog and you watch it, you know this is more than 10 years plus of friendship. I love you. I always look forward to you. You're coming, you're everything. Anyways, I'll see you guys, okay? I'm done.
A few moments later.
Hello. What's your phone, my sweet love? My baby love. Here go the traffic too deadly. Look at my baby, guys. Look at my baby. Look at my face. Look at my face. For the Lord has gone ahead of you, to forward ever, backward never. It's my season of increase. We move. It's my season of increase. Okay, don't worry, I'll park there. Oh, you guys, someone said that I always receive inspirations when I'm inside my car, right? I'm packed in the office. I'm about to go in. My girls at home, they were laughing at me today. Say, Mommy, is this not color riot? But there's one thing about me. So look at my bag. Look at my handbag, right? There's one thing about me. If I change one bag, right, if I remove my things from one bag to the next bag, I'm going to carry that bag for another 1 month. For another 1 month before I move it. I don't change handbags like that too, except maybe I want to go to church and I will just put my offering inside a smaller bag, and that is it. But you say my work bags that I carry to work, I should be changing them every day because of my outfit. No, I wear the color riot like that. Me, I'm not Gen Z, I'm millennial. So I shall wear the color riot like that. But anyways, you guys, I'm so happy to see my friend. She always comes bringing good tidings and good gifts. I really enjoyed my time with her, you know, but she's gone to go and see her parents right now to talk about something, right? And as an event decorator and planner, this is something that I have noticed with a good amount of parents. Now, in kiddies party where they call children to come and play game, maybe dance and all of that, you know, and they will win a particular prize, or maybe they call them to come and play game. Let me just say they call them to come and play game, and they are playing that game and they lose. Some children don't know how to handle failures, and their parents amplify those things for them. They don't know how to handle failures at all. Kai. When I see parents like these children, they will be angry, they will be crying, they will be moody because they did not win, and then you see their parents maybe shouting at the MC, "It's my son that won, it's my daughter that won, this is Pasha, will not take this Pasha." And then you will see them go and meet their children and be encouraging them. "You're my winner, don't worry, I will give you gift. Don't worry, I will give you money, I will give you gift, I will give you something when we go home. You are my winner, you're my winner." And I'm like, sorry? That is even the time to really ginger the child up and just say to that child, like, you know what, don't worry, you've lost, but you know what this thing means? It means try again later, but harder. Use another strategy, try again. If you were not looking at the chair when your opponent was looking at the chair and the music stopped and he sat down on it, next time be looking at the chair, use another strategy, do it this way, do it that way, you know, next time. The opposite of failure is not success. The opposite of failure is not success. The opposite of failure is try again harder, and you will get it the next time. And I look at them, I'm like, is that how your mother trained you? Is that how your mother trained you, that you became this resilient? Pepe.
Hello, ma. Good morning, ma.
Morning, my love. How are you?
I'm good, ma. And you?
Did you miss me now? This one you are calling me. What are you people calling me for now? I just enter office now. You people are calling me. Eh, baby girl?
I miss you now. Since on Saturday.
He's busy now. I'm here for you. What do you want?
No, not right.
Yesterday Peace was telling me that the person downstairs was fighting. You could watch film, no be small.
No be small. We just wait more, see how they go take come on for that room.
Hey!
Yes, they carry something now. Fire!
Yes, so.
With me and Peace contact say, they don't keep person, no.
My darling, don't worry, eh? Tomorrow I will work from the house, so you people will see me well. Yesterday I came back late too. Don't worry, you people will see me. We'll spend time tomorrow well.
Okay, ma.
All right, love.
Alright, thank you. Have a good day.
Okay. My girls. Hey. Anyways, back to what I was saying. I'm like, is that how your parents trained you? Is that how you became this resilient person, that you are navigating life, you are doing businesses, you are working with jobs, you are doing different things? Why are you bringing up a child with such a fragile emotion? All these kind of children are, I don't want to use the word, but all these kind of children are prone to, because they did not win something, or because they did not, they can end their self. They cannot be able, they will not be able to take it, they will not be able to handle it, they will not be able to take it, they will not be able to imagine that, oh my god, I did not win. They will be such center of, they will always want to be center of attraction. Even when they face the real life, they cannot handle life. Like any small thing, any small failure that does happen. Do you know how many things I have failed at? Do you know how many things my husband has failed at? Do you know how many unfortunately I have received? All these people now. Me, are they here now? Why they find me?
Okay.
If they miss me, Did they miss
When
me?
you come in, I can go rest. When you come inside, I didn't say, as that same way you sent me for Charles in ticket. The total amount there na 299, and I know that you paid more than that.
No. Look down. You go see this thing. Look down for the invoice. You go see this thing. I dey come. No, I go come show you for inside my laptop. Okay. Okay. You guys, they're looking for me in the office. Let me tell you one thing that I have. My husband always says it to me. Say, you have such a pleasant spirit. Everybody is your love. Oh, my mama, my auntie, even the ones you're not supposed to call ma, you call them ma. Because he sent me to a friend of his that works in a particular place at Water Carrington. I went there. He said, your wife is so pleasant. Your wife can do, sir, are you okay, sir? Thank you very much, sir. I said, baby, everybody is their oga outside. When I reach inside my house, I'm the madam of my home. I'm the auntie of my home. You know, see my baby girl, my lady that cleans, he called me just now. When I reach, I'm the mommy of my own. But outside there, I give everybody their respect and their this thing. Even people that I work for, I do this thing for. Hello sis, I do decoration for. In fact, the person I'm doing for this weekend, hey, I'm even Jara self. I dey call, I say, mommy, my mama here, they say, how many mama will you get? But what I'm just trying to say in this video is, please be careful. Be careful how you encourage bad behavior in your children. Be careful how you don't want to make your children have some sense of value. Send them on errands. Send them around the house on errands. Take them around. Take them to the market. They're not too young to follow you to certain places. They're not too young. It's only parties and indoors and this and that. They're not too young to have some sense of responsibility. They're not too young. Anyways, when I begin to talk about children like this, I become very passionate. But stop enabling, you're my winner, I want to get home. Tell them to try again harder and do it better. Okay? I know they shout for una, but anyways, guys, that's what I had to just say. I'll see you guys in my next vlog, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Okay, let me go inside and go and walk. They don't define me for inside office. Okay, my people, take care. This is Boomsy Sports. Keep supporting, keep cheering me on, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next